2012 Ram 1500. Anyways, factory converter there. Factory converter there. Why is it the single? Then we replaced it, all rotted out from right there back. So we replaced 3-inch pipe all the way to a MAGNAFLOW. Part number 12198. Link in the description, right there. 2 tailpipes, 2 1/4, all the way back on each side. There and there. We eliminated the resonators on it, right there and right there. And put some 3.5-inch roll tips out the back to finish it off. This truck is all the way from Canada. He just bought it, so that's what trucks in Canada look like, the same as in the USA. Anyways, there's the 2 tailpipes that were on it. There, resonators there. And as you guys can see, it all rotted out. It had a cherry bomb glass pack. We took it all off and set them up, hooked them up with new stuff. If you guys don't know, we are located in good old Nashville, Tennessee. So make sure you guys come and see us if you guys are in town. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Ram 1500 4x4 SLT 5.7 liter ahead. MAGNAFLOW. Perfect. You like it? Puts a thumbs up? Yes. That's supposed to. Yes, sir. Your sound decibels? Go ahead. Right at 100. Sounds perfect. Go ahead and back it up. M57. Beast of a truck. Boom, boom. So 3.5-inch tips, guys. Roll. What do you guys think of the sound? I like it. It's clean and deep. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Ram 1500 HEMI. I don't know, man. This body style is good too. Makes it beefy. Perfect. Enjoy, guys.